total, utter gross out. Hold your head! I hunger salutations! How can I be expected to survive? You gotta spend the freaking
Yes, I was a student at Worl.
Oh no!
You boys still wear diaper.
Hey,
Why do
Jimmy!
you just like
Let me
that?
show you around.
I know you're new here, but that doesn't give you the right to be a jerk.
That's Russell's luck. You know, the big ape who almost put you in the hospital.
You like to eat fish?
I don't want any trouble.
Your money, all of it!
Come on, just leave me alone.
Stupid. Destroy! Next time you get more doofus!
Come on, let's break into it and steal something. That'll teach him. Don't let the prefects see you break any rules. They'll hurt you.
Your attention. Setting fireworks on school grounds is strictly prohibited and will probably constitute terrorism.
How's it going?
You'll regret this. I swear you will. Please don't do this. Well done.
You just made a serious mistake.
Got anything to say to this?
I think I'm just all up, dude. Think I'll hide here.
Hey, who's the winner here?
Me!
Stick a rubber hose up your nose. Pathetic. Hey, your grandpa died and leave you his wardrobe? Jimmy, this way.
I can create deadly weapons out of anything.
Oh man, there's that weird chick Eunice. Let's have some fun with her.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Go, see what she wants.
No! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Hey,
He took my chocolate! Please get it back!
Watch it.
hailing frequencies open.
Whip! I've got more important things to worry about.
Grow up.
There he is. Show him what
The
you
authorities
made.
don't care about it.
Oh, so you wanted scrap?
We're intellectual muscles.
Don't push me.
I'm leaving now.
I love hot dogs.
Thanks! Wanna make out? Sheesh! Oh, thank you, Jimmy. I mean it.
You actually kissed her. Let's go to the calf. I'll show you who's who. Disappear, sit back.
Doors are fun.
One day, girls will like me.
Your move, Dilby.
Use your glasses.
Locked on target.
Come on, make him
Let a
try.
real man show you the ropes. What's going on? You'll rue the day, Jimmy. You'll rue the day.
Life
Hey,
is
just looking at you makes me want to fart.
I got it. What if I started?
time at the zoo. Okay, here's the deal. Over there, we got the nerds. Of course, they're complete social outcasts.
They look pretty harmless.
They're actually sneaky bastards. Their turf is the library. And those are the preps. They're all money and condescending attitudes.
Yeah, massively inbred and completely brainless.
Very observant, Jimmy boy. Now over there are the greasers. They think they're tough.
Or at least try to look tough.
Wouldn't advise messing with them, at least not yet. They hang by the auto shop. And last but not least, the jocks. These guys rule the school. Definitely avoid them.
Whatever, I'm not afraid of some dumb roid monkeys.
You'll learn. Come on, let's go.
You're here to learn, not to goof off. Get to class.
What are you doing in here? Oh, right. Class. Take care to follow my instructions precisely, as we will be working with volatile chemicals today. Keep up the good work. You're almost done. Good work. You have a future in chemistry. No, no, no! Not like that. Fascinating, isn't it? Good job. Keep paying attention. Satisfactory work, James. I'll see you next time.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jimmy Hopkins. Jimmy Hopkins delivers.
I already told on you.
Bite me, Dewey. Condiments are just so distinct.
Bite me.
I'm sure he was just...
You seem to be making yourself quite comfortable here, my boy.
I'm just trying to fit in.
By fighting? By making a nuisance of yourself? That is not the Bulworth way, boy.
Yeah, you could have fooled me.
What?
I said you could have fooled me. This place is full of bullies and maniacs.
Nonsense! That's just school spirit. Hijinks. Why, in my day, we felt nothing of castrating the new boys. I want you to stop this nonsense, Hopkins. I want you to behave yourself. You might learn something.
Fine. Can I go now, sir?
On your way.
Hey, I saw you sucking up to Crabble Snitch.
What? Shut up.
Screw you, new kid. This is what we do to teachers' pets around here.
You better not. Ow! Come here, you little...
Yeah, come and get me.
You know you look silly like that, don't you? This school is... I saw it. He ran towards the fountain.
You wanna play games?
Get away from me.
This place is overrun.